I'm going to give you 3 reasons why your link in bio is your most critical real estate as a creator. Plus, why I'm stoked to partner with my friends at Koji to help supercharge your social media presence. Reason number 1 is that your link in bio is a key part of your first impression. Whether it's an existing follower, a new viewer, or a potential brand sponsor, when they stumble across your content, one of the first things they're likely to do is check your bio to see what you're all about. For example, in the last 28 days, 12,300 people have visited my Twitter profile. That's a lot of eyeballs. So Koji is essentially a souped up link in bio tool that helps you monetize and engage with your fans in a new way. So if you're familiar with Linktree or similar services, Koji is a far more robust tool set with a bunch of slick templates for creators to choose from. Here's a few popular creators' link in bios to see how they've supercharged their strategy using Koji. YouTuber Pixel is using Koji to consolidate interactions with his 630,000 followers across all of his social platforms. Previously, whenever he asked his fans for art submissions, he would be absolutely inundated. So he used the group story Koji to allow his followers to organize everything in one place. He's even able to curate the selections to only include the best ones. Plus, if he wants, Koji even gives you the ability to charge for the privilege to post to his group story. And former NFL player and current TV personality Michael Strahan uses Koji for his link in bio too, and he takes full advantage of the visual customization options with an HD video background and a blue and white color scheme that matches his old uniform from when he played for the New York Giants. Plus, he uses the email collection add-on to help grow his email list for fans who want to stay updated on everything he's up to. And viral guacamole singer Jo is another creator using Koji in cool ways. He'll sing you a song for $10, you can tip him when he asks, "Do you love me?" And you can even stream his Spotify playlist from inside Koji. The second reason why you need to give extra love to your link in bio is that it's your best chance to own your audience and establish a direct connection with them outside of that social media platform. If you've been on social media long enough, chances are you know how fickle the algorithms can be. One day you're flying high with views and engagement and organic reach, and then the platform changes things up and everything tanks. Especially if you're building a business as a creator, it's irresponsible to put all of your eggs in one basket and not look at other avenues to contact your followers, aka your customers. And the third reason why you need to think long and hard about your link in bio strategy is that you can start monetizing your influence and expertise now. There's been a major shift over the last, let's say, 5 to 6 years, whereas previously creators felt like they had to hit these arbitrary milestones, like let's say 10,000 followers, before they felt like they were comfortable to start charging for things. In my experience over the last few years, that's all changed, and I always recommend creators start ASAP. And there's one more creator's Koji strategy that I want to show you. I'm going to give you a guess whose it is. He has 2 thumbs, and you're looking right at him. So I've been using Koji across all of my social platforms for a while now, and I couldn't be happier with the results. It's on my YouTube, it's on my Instagram, it's on my Twitter, and so I just wanted to show you what I've got. So the first thing you'll notice is that this isn't just some bland collection of links. Right? Koji makes it super easy to be dynamic with 4K video background. So you can upload your own file. You can do it from a YouTube link. You can have animated icons. So I want to walk through each link one by one. So first up is my tip jar Koji, and I've labeled it support, and I have a little like money face emoji. And when you click on it, I have a personalized video basically saying, "Have I helped you? Let me know." If I've helped you on your creator journey, here's a cool little tip jar, which will allow me to live my mission of helping as many creators as possible become more business savvy. And when you click on it, anyone can donate whatever amount they want and include a little note that lets me know how I've helped them. So let's say it's $5 and you helped me with a negotiation. Thanks. Click it, and everything is processed right inside Koji. And you get to keep 100% of these tips, literally 100%. I've got a nice little animated GIF of money following here. This is my private Facebook group where I help give creators brand deal intel. I have my link to my brand deal course on here. And then my next Koji is, do you need help with a brand deal negotiation? And when you click on that, basically says, help. Are you in need of help of a brand deal negotiation? Send me the info and I'll send you a video with my advice. So you basically type in like, what's the to deal with the brand. What are they saying? What do you need help with? And it's $10 to send back a video with negotiation help. So think about, for you as a creator, what is the types of advice that you're getting? What can you charge a custom video for? So the next Koji I have here is people can record testimonials and send them to me without me even asking. They can actually just send me a video for how I've helped them. I put a little video here of another creator that had done a testimonial to kind of get the juices flowing. But this is the group story Koji that I was talking about earlier, right? So you can just click add to story here. You can upload it in different ways. You can provide a link, or you can like record it with your like webcam, or you can just type something there. And this is not actually, I'm actually going to be reviewing all of these, right? So there's all these settings that you can do with your Kojis. So if you don't want it to post to your group story right away, you can actually review them and download them, and I can edit them and things like that and re-upload them to my group story as like an edited testimonial, right? Then I've got some other standard links. I have my free list of my 50 top brand deal platforms. I've got my free 14-day brand deal challenge. I've got my email list link there. And then I've got these nice, really polished links to all of my social platforms at the bottom. So you're probably wondering, what's the catch, right? Honestly, there's not one. Koji is completely free to sign up. They do, of course, take a percentage of certain transactions once you make the sales, but it's modest. And by the way, if you already have a Linktree, you can import and transfer over all of your pre-existing information automatically with the Koji site. So once you fill out all of your basic information, you can start exploring all of the Koji templates, and there's a ton to choose from. And you can mix and match to best suit your creator identity. So let's say that you want your link in bio to include a tip jar like mine. Well, you just select the tip jar template, and then you decide if you want to use it as is or if you want to customize it. I recommend customizing it, which Koji calls remixing. And you can do the same with pretty much every type of Koji template. And they really offer a lot, from monetization to email list growth, to games, and even meme building tools. So if you want to set up your Koji for free, click the link in my bio to check it out. And thanks again to Koji for sponsoring this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. See you next time.